Ever tried using your debit card on PayPal only to be met with that dreaded declined message? Let's dive into why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it, ensuring your online transactions are smooth sailing. First, double-check that you've entered your debit card information correctly on PayPal. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. A simple typo can cause a decline, so take your time and verify each digit if you have entered the details wrong. Simply edit your card details. Insufficient funds are a common culprit. Review your bank account balance to ensure you have enough money to cover the transaction, including any potential PayPal fees or currency conversion charges. Do not forget to refresh your bank statement to ensure it is up to date. Sometimes, your bank might block the transaction due to security concerns. This could be because the transaction is flagged as unusual or because you haven't authorized PayPal for online purchases. Contact your bank directly through their website or by phone to confirm the transaction and ask them to remove the block. Within your PayPal account settings, make sure your debit card is properly linked and confirmed. If you're still facing issues, try removing the card and adding it again. This can help refresh the connection between PayPal and your bank. Navigate to the Wallet section, select your debit card, and follow the prompts to remove and read it. By following these steps, you can usually resolve the issue of your debit card being declined on PayPal, so get back to hassle-free online payments and money transfers. If the problem persists, reaching out to PayPal's customer support for further assistance is your best bet.